Hi everybody, I'm Mona Dan, founder of VIE Healing. I'm excited to introduce you to our Rose Quartz Gua Sha tool. This is going to be a little demo and a little bit of information about why I love this tool so much. So first to start, I'm going to introduce you to the tool and all the sides and edges that make it so special to me. First things first, this is a Rose Quartz tool, and Rose Quartz is a very special tool. It has vibrations that really center the body. Each stone has different types of vibrations that your body really gets attracted to. So this Rose Quartz tool is meant to be heart-centered. The tool has three aspects that work really well overall on the body. You have the extended tips that really nicely get into all these bony but muscular areas of the body. They can nicely get into that connective tissue adhesion and move it. The next side of it is the rounded edges. This is great for like the bigger parts of the body. So whenever you're scraping and you're moving towards the lymphs and you're moving larger areas towards drainage, this is the side you're gonna use. And then what makes this tool really special is these corners are perfectly edged so they don't injure you. So if you're gonna do any sort of like pressure point stimulation, you can get into it really nicely. When you're doing Gua Sha, it's important to know that you don't wanna use something super perpendicular, it's too aggressive. So you wanna be between 5 to 45 degrees in angle in order to use the tool properly. There are guides all over the internet showing you how to use the tool, but if you see just a little bit of stimulation gets the blood flowing and flushed, you see the side of my face already without any real proper stimulation is already getting blood circulation. Make sure you're always holding your skin so it doesn't get too pulled. You're holding your skin when you're doing Gua Sha, and do Gua Sha in a very gentle but direct way. You don't want to just go and go and go and go. Give intention to the body, focus on what you're doing, think about why you're doing what you're doing, and this is done after you've put on your favorite serum. I use argan oil or jojoba oil. I have really sensitive skin, so I can't use too much, but when the Gua Sha is used, the oil really helps make sure that the skin doesn't get pulled so you don't get wrinkles. So make sure you're holding and guiding. So how to Gua Sha? First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your favorite oil and you're gonna apply it to your face. Make sure you have a good enough amount of oil so that the tool really doesn't tug or pull any area. So you're gonna get a nice amount of oil all over the face. And then grab your tool. I like working from the center, going down and then up, down towards my limbs in a very gentle way. This is for facial Gua Sha. For body Gua Sha, go towards the joints because the joints do have most of the lymphs and that's where you get the toxins rid of your body. To start, I always start with the wider edge of the tool. This gets like a nice overlay of the entire area. Do this 5 to 10 times to get the blood moving in all these areas first. And then start going with extended tips towards the more specific areas. Feel underneath the tool, feel the connective tissue adhesion, and break up that adhesion. If you have these fine lines and wrinkles, get in, scrape away the adhesion between. Make sure with the crow's feet and the area under the eye, you're very gentle. And then once you've worked all this, then start guiding very gentle towards the limbs. And there you go. That's how you use the Rose Quartz Gua Sha for facial Gua Sha. Follow us on Instagram at VIE Healing and dive in deeper with us into the world of traditional Chinese medicine and how to use these tools to really enhance your well-being.